Hey, hoteliers. Do you know those days when you might be thinking everything's sailing smoothly and then, bam, an unexpected maintenance issue pops up? Let's dive into this unpredictable world of hotel maintenance, where the only consistent is surprise. So, how can you handle some of those maintenance surprises? Greetings, hotel aficionados. You're tuning into the Hotel Helpcast podcast, where empty rooms meet their match and hospitality dreams turn to reality. Whether you're a boutique beginner or a resort superstar, this is your one stop shop for insider tips. I'm your host, Jerry McPherson, and it's time to fluff those pillows and elevate your game. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on a ton of great info. The preventative magic. Think of it as your annual health checkup for your hotel. Systematic inspections, super detailed equipment logs, and then, hey, train your whole team to be mini detectives. They're on the front lines and they can spot potential hiccups. And I mean everybody, and that includes the housekeepers. The oh no, not now plan. Have an emergency fund. It's like your rainy day bank, but for unexpected repairs. Also, keep a good relationship with your go to vendors. And if disaster does strike, have backup plans. If the HVAC throws a tantrum, can you offer fans or heaters? Stay with me, and I'll share more ways to navigate maintenance costs right after a word from our sponsor. Hey there! Are you dreaming of opening those grand hotel doors? Or maybe elevating that cozy inn you already own? You're in the right place. Say hello to our game changer. Check into success, building and running your hotel business. Course. Picture this: guests raving about your top notch service, staff beaming with pride, and that fully booked sign flashing every single night. Sound like a dream? We're here to make it your reality. Here's the scoop: 85 juicy lessons. Watch them, hear them, or read them. Your pick. And hey, don't forget those quizzes after each module to see how you're doing. Real talk from insider pros. We've got the latest trends and insights to keep you ahead. The perfect blend of know-how and flair. Learn the ropes and add that special touch only you can. Quick peek at what's inside? From brainstorming your hotel concept, navigating the financial maze, crafting a standout brand, all the way to ensuring your guests are treated like royalty. And there are some bonus goodies in there too. All right, enough with the suspense. Your dream hotel? Not just a vision, it's a journey, and it starts with check into success, building and running your hotel business course. So are you ready to turn that open sign on and make some magic? Let's get started. Enroll, and let's build that dream together. Go techie and let the geek out. Use tools like Maintenance Care to schedule, track, and manage tasks. And hey, let's get everyone equipped with mobile devices or apps for instant problem reporting. Because sometimes speed is everything. Your in-house super squad. Think of them as your hotel superheroes. With them around, you can tackle issues faster than you can say 5-star review. And remember, training is their superpower. Talk, talk, talk. Let your guests in on the secret. If there's a hiccup, be upfront. Offer an easy way for them to voice their concerns and keep communication clear. A guest in the know is a happier guest. We go into more detail about guest communication in the Check Into Success Building and Running Your Hotel Business course. All right, it's all about staying 2 steps ahead in this quirky dance of maintenance. For those eager to master the art of hotel management, snag our awesome freebie. Unlock your hospitality property success. 25 must-know insights for independent hotel owners. Dive in, learn lots, and keep your hotel running smoother than a freshly waxed floor. How do you stay on top of your property's maintenance? Let me know. In our next episode, I will be talking about pricing strategies. That's it for today's episode of Hotelier Helpcast podcast. Keep those lobbies lively and the feedback flowing, and always remember, it's the little touches that make the big waves in hospitality. Checking out for now. Until next time, stay inspired. The Hotelier Helpcast podcast is part of the Keystone HPD network.